What's the meaning of convolvulus? Convolvulus. Convolvulus.
Convolvulus. Convolvulus. Convolvulus is a genus of approximately 250 species of flowering plants in the bindweed family, Convolvulaceae. The name comes from the Latin word convolvere, which means to entwine. These plants are known for their attractive trumpet-shaped flowers and climbing or trailing growth habit. They are found in many parts of the world and are often used as ornamental plants in gardens. Some species are also used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. Overall, convolvulus is a diverse and interesting group of plants with both aesthetic and medicinal value.